Good morning parents, good morning children. Today we are going to do the activity in this drawing book. This is the UKG drawing book. So we are going to start doing the coloring in this drawing book. So this is page number 1. Children, see there is a duck over here. Parents, please write the date for your children, 28-8-2020. That is 28th August 2020. So children, you can see a picture here. This is the picture of a duck. So same, this duck picture is being given here with the dots. Okay children. So you have to fill colors in this duck. So before filling it, you have to join the dots. You can see the dots here children. You have to join the dots and make a picture and then fill colors inside it. So follow me and see how I am doing. Okay children. See a duck. Just join the dots like this. Children, you know what does a duck says? A duck says quack quack, quack quack. How does the duck says? Quack quack, quack quack. So a duck is of two colors. There may be white ducks and also yellow colored ducks. Okay children. So what is the baby of a duck called? So the baby of a duck is called ducklings. You have seen small ducklings? They always run back of the mother duck. So when mothers say quack quack, even the children at the ducklings at the back of the mother, they keep running and say quack 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 quack. They're so naughty, no? The small ducks are very naughty ducks. Okay children. So let me sing a song on ducks. Will you sing along with me children? You'll enjoy listening to this duck song. Okay children. Wait a minute. I'll just sing for you. Duck. Okay. We'll sing about the 5 little ducks children. 5 little ducks went out one day. 5 little ducks went out one day. Over the hill and far away. 5 little ducks went out to play. Over the hill far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only 4 little ducks came back. But only 4 little ducks came back. Children, enjoyed the song? Let us sing again, okay? We'll just fill the colors and sing the song again. Okay, children, see, I finished joining all the dots over here. See, children, I finished joining all the dots. You also join the dots like this. Now, see what color? So, children, what is this color? This is orange. So, this is orange. So, we'll fill this color here. Okay, fill this orange color here. Okay, children. So, take your orange. You have the colors with you, right? So, this color packet, you take out the orange color and just fill it here. Okay. So, this is a duck. What is this, children? This is a duck. So, a duck swims in the water. The duck says quack quack. Okay, children. Colored neatly. The color must not come out. Okay, children. So, the baby of a duck is called ducklings. Shall I sing the song again? The duck song. Okay, children? I'll sing the song, children. 5 little ducks went out to play. 5 little ducks went out one day. Over the hill far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only 4 little ducks came back. Children, see how I applied the color? How I fill the color? You also fill that. The color must not come out. Okay, children? See, apply like this. So, here also, see the beak of the duck. This is also orange in color. So, here also, fill with orange color. This is the beak of a duck. Okay, children? So, ducks all the ducks know they swim in the water, and the baby of a duck is called duckling. So the babies always they walk back of their mother. You know, no? The duck walks and back the ducklings also they walk along with their mother. They swim in the water together. The mother duck takes good care of their children. Whenever it goes out, it takes all its ducklings along with it. So children, we completed this color. Now what is the color here, children? This is yellow color. Okay? This is yellow color. So take this yellow color one and we'll just fill the color here. Okay, children? Let's fill the color yellow color. Okay, children? Neatly fill. See, it must not come out. Okay? What does a duck say? Quack, 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 quack. And the ducklings also say quack, 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 quack. They say, keep on saying quack, quack, quack. So, 5 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only 3 little ducks said, quack, quack, quack. Okay, children? Just color this. Must not come out. Neatly color. Okay, children? Color this neatly. The color must not come out. Neatly color this. Okay, children? This is yellow color. Children, you know the spellings of colors you have learned in your science. Yes? What is the color? What is the spelling of yellow? Y-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Children, you enjoy drawing, right? But you do neatly. Okay? You must do very neatly. It must not come out. If you do neatly, your teacher will give you a star. Okay, children? Do neatly. The color must not come out. Do it neatly. 5 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only 2 little ducks said quack, came back. Only 2 little ducks came back. The mother duck is searching for the other ducks. Where are my ducks? Where are my other 3 ducks? Only 2 have come. It is searching for them. Okay, children? So, color like this neatly, children. It must not come out. Wherever there is white, just color, fill the color neatly and nicely. Okay, children? Color it this way. Okay? Now, what is the color here, children? The duck swims in water, right? So, water is blue in colors. Take the blue color. See the blue color here? Just pick out the blue color and fill the blue color here near the water. Okay, now, so the duck is searching for the children. They are not coming, the ducklings. It's searching for its ducklings. They are not coming home back. Then again the mother duck started saying, quack, 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 quack. So fill this color like this, children. So finally the duck, when she shouted quack, 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 the ducklings have come to it. So again they became a happy family. Children, color like this neatly without any whites in the middle. So color neatly, children, and your teacher will give you a star. Okay, children? So finally, you know what's a duck. Enjoy, children. Hope you all have enjoyed this drawing. Parents, please help your children to complete this drawing. Okay, children? Thank you.